Hi, my name is Jim Zoltenko, and I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to Zoltenko Farms Incorporated Swine Semen Services, or simply ZFI as we are known in the U.S. swine industry. We are a traditional family farming operation located 2 miles from the Kansas-Nebraska border in Jewell County, Kansas. The remodeled farmhouse that currently serves as our company office and is attached to the home in which my wife Cheryl and I live was built by my great-grandfather in 1903. We are very proud that our grandson Chandler represents the 6th generation of our family to have spent time in this house. Family members who contribute to the day-to-day operation of ZFI are my wife Cheryl and myself, our 15-year-old son Cole, our older son Lannin, his wife Melanie, and their 4-year-old son Chandler. Prior to becoming a commercial boar stud in the spring of 1998, our family operation consisted of a 1,000 head sow herd from which we marketed a combination of 14-day-old Isoweens, 50-pound feeder pigs, open and bred gilts, and market hogs, as well as a 200 head cow-calf herd and 800 irrigated row crop acres. After extensive research, my wife Cheryl and I made a business decision to do a complete depopulation and an extensive cleanup of our swine production facilities in the fall of 1997. At this time, we also elected to invest considerable resources into the remodeling of our 2,400 head off-site nursery into a state-of-the-art 236 head boar stud facility with an accompanying laboratory. In the fall of 1998, we also made the business decision to rent our cropping acres as well as pasture acres to neighbors so we could concentrate our attention solely to the management of our boar stud operation. In the fall of 2000, we entered into a long-term arrangement with a neighbor to lease his swine finishing facilities. Our reasoning for doing this was twofold. It not only provided the opportunity for us to open a second boar stud, but it also allowed us to greatly enhance our biosecurity by controlling the only other swine facility within a 4-mile radius. We recognized the fact that if we were to best serve the U.S. swine industry, we not only needed to produce a high-quality product for our customers, but we also needed to develop our own delivery system that would allow ZFI to maintain quality control of our semen until it is placed into the cooling unit at the sow farm. Therefore, our company slogan was born: "We deliver the mail." By relying on our semen delivery system rather than the UPS, FedEx, or the U.S. Mail Service, we not only have complete quality control, but we also have the ability to provide uninterrupted delivery service on scheduled delivery days. All ZFI drivers are well trained, equipped, and dedicated to delivering the mail. With great pride, we can say that in the 3.5 years of delivering semen, we have never yet had an order not be delivered on time. As a result of the leased facilities, we now operate 2 separate boar stud operations located 2 miles apart, with 2 completely separate staffs. A minimum of 72 hours of downtime by all ZFI personnel is observed between the 2 operations. A strict biosecurity protocol is implemented throughout the entire ZFI system. To minimize the risk of introducing diseases, 2 separate isolation buildings are utilized at each stud site to house all incoming boars. All boars spend 30 days in isolation and an additional 30 days in acclimatization before entering the main stud. While in isolation, boars are blood tested, vaccinated, and trained. Our herd veterinarian, Dr. Angela Basinger, is at each of our studs every 2 weeks to routinely monitor our herds. Both ZFI boar stud operations are state-of-the-art when it comes to design, layout, and implementation of the latest technology. All boars are housed in a combination of individual stalls and pens, which are equipped with adjustable feed drops. Power ventilation, cool cells, and heating are all computer controlled to maximize boar comfort and optimize semen quality. Both systems were designed to facilitate safety for our employees while creating a pleasant and comfortable working environment. At ZFI, we are very proud of our employees. It is only through their hard work and dedication that we have been able to achieve the product quality and customer service that our customers have come to expect on a routine basis. Our boar collectors are trained to properly handle animals during the collection process. They have also been carefully instructed on the proper technique of handling the semen to assure optimum semen quality through a high level of sanitation while eliminating sperm temperature shock. All ZFI lab technicians are extremely competent, highly qualified, and excel in consistency and attention to detail. Our lab techs are properly instructed in all aspects of boar semen processing with extreme emphasis on temperature control. ZFI lab personnel are also taught to evaluate semen using a composite scoring method that requires them to be knowledgeable in sperm cell motility and morphological analysis. The combination of these skills coupled with a stringent standard operating procedure assures the production of high-quality boar semen, dose after dose. Our goal at ZFI is to produce premium quality semen for each of our customers. We incorporate the latest proven technology along with the finest inputs available to achieve this goal. By using Androhet Plus, we are utilizing the highest quality and longest lasting extender on the market today. The water used to mix the extender is 18 megaohms pure and is manufactured in our own lab water purification system. Lab equipment is routinely calibrated and cultured for bacteria by Dr. Basinger. Samples from each batch of semen are retained and checked the first thing each morning for viability and motility for the first 5 days post-collection. Should any sample not meet the proper criteria, each customer who received doses of semen from that particular batch would be notified to discard any remaining doses, and it would be replaced immediately. The ZFI North Stud exclusively houses PIC boars that are either sourced from the PIC Genetic Nucleus Farm in Saskatchewan, Canada, or the PIC Bluegrass Genetic Nucleus Farm in Kentucky. All animals are selected for our stud and culled from our stud on the basis of their individual EBVs. Culling practices target a 55 to 60% annual replacement rate. We not only service numerous commercial sow farms ranging in sow numbers from 60 to 6,000 head, but we also supply semen for a PIC AI level boar multiplication unit, several parent herds, 2 daughter nucleus herds, and 1 production nucleus herd. Due to the fact that ZFI is involved in such a large percentage of PIC's gilt and boar production, our biosecurity and herd health protocol is closely dictated to us by Dr. Basinger and our PIC area veterinary consultant, Dr. Steve Henry. Both doctors are well-known and researchers of PIC genetics for your pork production business. Lannin would like to meet with you to help you decide which PIC program would benefit your situation the most. When we realize that today's modern pork producers have many choices available when deciding on the genetic company with which they will align, as well as where they will source their semen. We view every collection and delivery day as an opportunity to continually prove ourselves worthy of our customers' trust and their business. Here at ZFI, it is our hope that we be given the opportunity to earn your business. ZFI wants to deliver your mail. Give us a call on our toll-free number of 1-877-934-7883 or 1-877-ZFI-STUD so we may get to know one another better. You can also find out more about us by checking out our new website at www.zfistud.com. This is Jim Zoltenko, and I would like to thank you for taking your valuable time to view this presentation. Good day.